Welcome to this toolbox talk on hand protection. Hand protection require employers to provide and employees to use personal protective equipment, PPE, such as gloves, that are designed to help protect workers from injuries, such as cuts, scrapes, punctures, and heat or cold. So it is vitally important to make certain that the gloves you select for use are adequate to protect against the specific hazards you come across while at work. In this toolbox talk, we will discuss about the causes of hand injury, the types of gloves that should be worn, and various safety measures. Hands and fingers are injured more than other body parts. This is because of two reasons. Hands and fingers are required for most work activities. Hands and fingers are vulnerable to crush and cut type injuries, as well as exposure to harmful materials used at work, and exposure to vibration and repetitive strain injuries. There are many dangerous conditions on the job, to which the hand is constantly exposed. Some of them are discussed here. Punctures, cuts, or lacerations caused by contact with sharp, spiked, or jagged edges on equipment, tools, or materials. Crushed, fractures, or amputations caused by contact with gears, belts, wheels, and rollers, falling objects, and rings, gloves, or clothing getting caught and putting your hand in harm's way. Strains, sprains, and other musculoskeletal injuries caused by using the wrong tool for the job, or one that is too big, small, or heavy for your hand. Burns, caused by direct contact with a hot surface, or a chemical. Dermatitis, and other skin disorders, caused by direct contact with chemicals in products and materials. Protecting your fingers and hands is important for your work and quality of life. So, let's discuss about the types of gloves you can select based upon the type of your job. Sturdy gloves made from metal mesh, leather, or canvas can help protect your hands against cuts and burns. Thick leather or canvas gloves also protect against sustained heat. Leather gloves also protect against sparks, moderate heat, blows, chips, and rough objects. Fabric gloves like cotton protect against dirt, slivers, chafing, and abrasions. They do not provide sufficient protection for use with rough, sharp, or heavy materials. Adding a plastic coating will strengthen some fabric gloves. Coated fabric gloves offer general-purpose hand protection, offering slip-resistant qualities. These gloves are used for tasks ranging from handling bricks and wire to chemical laboratory containers. Aramid fiber gloves protect against heat and cold, are cut and abrasive resistant, and wear well. Aluminized gloves provide reflective and insulating protection against heat, but require an insert made of synthetic materials to protect against heat and cold. Be aware of the job tasks, equipment, and materials that can create a risk for a hand injury, or put your skin in contact with a chemical, and know the steps that should be taken to prevent exposures and injuries. Always stay alert and focused on keeping your hands safe, not just at the start of work or a task. Keep guards on machinery and power tools in place. Don't remove or reposition them. Use tools and equipment designed for the work being performed, and use them as instructed by your supervisor or the manufacturer. Don't put your hands or fingers near the moving parts of a power tool or equipment. Make sure machinery, equipment, and power tools are completely off before you try replacing, cleaning, or repairing parts. Follow lockout or tag out procedures. Identify safety features on tools and equipment before you use them, such as emergency off switches. Check tools and equipment to make sure they are in proper working order before beginning a task. Keep hands and fingers away from sharp edges, such as blades, protruding nails, etc. Never cut toward the palm of your hand. Select hand tools that are ergonomic for your hand, that is, the right size, lowest weight, and have features such as grips, anti-vibration handles, handles that allow you to work without excessive bending of your wrist. Wear gloves that fit your hand and are right for the work being performed. Not all gloves protect against all hazards. Do not wear rings, other jewelry, or loose articles of clothing that could get caught on a moving object. With this, we end this toolbox talk on hand protection. Thanks for your valuable time. Have a safe day.